curious, are you clairvoyant? Today I'm going to share with you 3 ways to find out if you are clairvoyant. But before I do, go to my link tree above and find out about 12 steps to Mediumship Mastery, a program that will help you to activate your clairvoyant gift. Number 1, if you are clairvoyant, you most probably get static in your eyes, or you feel like you can see things floating around when you're looking around the room. Number 2, you see shadows. You swear you saw something out the corner of your eye. Clairvoyancy. Okay, so stick around because I'm going to share with you number 3. But comment below. Let me know if any of these have resonated with you. Number 3, seeing orbs and seeing spirit. Not necessarily with your eyes, maybe with your eyes, but in your mind's eye. This is a definite sign that you are clairvoyant. Head on over to my Facebook group, Awaken Community with Victoria Bond, to find out more tips and tricks about your mediumship capacity.